How to log into Snapchat Web on your phone. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Snapchat Web Login. Head over to the second site, Snapchat for Web. It will land you on this interface. Right now you can see that there is no any option where you can log into your Snapchat account. So in this case, what you want to do is tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then click on desktop site. Once you are on your desktop site, it will land you on the interface where you can log into your account. So in this section, enter your username or the email address and then tap on next. Now enter the password of your Snapchat account. Once you are done, tap on next. Wait for a while. Now right here you can tap on not now. So there you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Snapchat web. So that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.